Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff. Today I have another viewer requested video. The issue they are having is with this particular LED bulb, which is a 1157 socket, JDMastar, switchback LEDs. They said that the bulb doesn't work or it doesn't last. Also the parking light, sometimes the fuse gets blown when you insert this LED bulb, or that it has made their turn signal socket defective. Alright, so today I'm going to go over how to properly install this LED bulb. Alright, so here I have the OEM genuine Honda socket and bulb from a 2015 Honda Accord Sedan. I'm going to go ahead and remove the incandescent bulb. All you do is you push down and you twist and it'll come out. You don't just yank it out. You have to push it down and then twist and then pull. Now, if you look at the original bulb, there are two tabs, one on each side, but they're offset. One is lower than the other, so as you can see, right here, the tabs are not on the same line, and also there are two contacts in the base right there. Okay, and if you look inside the original socket, there are two little metal contacts in the bottom where there's two little tabs on the bulb line up. And also if you look in the sidewall, there are cutouts. There's one there and there's another one on the opposite side where there's two tab goes in and you have to twist to lock it in there. So the contacts in the bottom right here, one of them is a positive contact for the turn signal, the other is a positive for the parking lights, and the pin that's right there, the contact on the sidewall right there, that is the ground. Now when you're inserting this LED bulb into the socket, it's very important that you do it the right way, because if you don't, what can happen is you can stretch out those little contacts and it's not going to make contact with the bottom of the base of the LED bulb, and so it's not going to turn on. All right, and so you see that there's one offset is higher than the other. This is much closer to the base right here. So when you're looking at this bulb, there are little tabs, and you see the very large tab that's right here. So you want to hold it like this, and there is that ground contact that's right there. You want to take the base, the lower one that's closer to the base, and put it right on top right there. And then you want to push and then turn. So you're putting it in here, pushing it and turning. Now, if you were to put it the opposite way, where the contact right here is the further away from this contact, it won't work. But not only that, if you keep pushing, you're actually going to be pushing those contacts further down into the socket, and it's no longer going to make contact with the LED bulb contacts back down here. And so it's very important that you get the right pin into the right slot. And so the one that's closer to the contact down here, with it holding the socket like this with the large wide tab on top, goes up here, and you push again. You push down first and then you lock it. You don't just go like insert it and then try locking, because it'll never go through. You have to push down and then lock. All right, I'm going to show you step by step on how to go ahead and change out the front turn signal bulb on your Honda Accord. This right here is a 2015 Honda Accord headlight assembly for the sedan, and here is your front turn signal socket. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and disconnect the wire harness that's connected to the socket, and all you do is you press a little black tab right here, and this will pull straight out, and turn this counterclockwise to remove it. And then once I have this removed, I'm going to go ahead and push and twist, take the new LED and make sure that the tab goes on the correct orientation, which goes right onto that slot up here. So I'm going to push down and twist to lock it in place. Alright, so once the LED bulb is installed, the last thing you need to do is go ahead and reinstall it into your headlight assembly, and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place, and take your wire harness and plug it back on. And that's it. Right? Hopefully this video answers your question. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. As always, don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.